One of the things that's becoming extremely rapidly erased in the cities of North America is gay culture. It has become so assimilated in mass culture since the mid-90s that there's no point in one. There will be a day that there is the last gay bar in America, and it's probably not that far in the future. So as a work of art, if you could preserve some of the qualities that made this subculture great as it's become erased, it might be a way to hold on to this idea that no matter who you are, you're allowed to be yourself. Everyone's welcome, as long as you're having a good time. What was once stereotyped and shamed, and then later celebrated, and now it's on the verge of extinction. And we're really thinking about that. So in a way, we're deadly serious, and in another way, we just want to have fun. In the main dining room, that's called Kentucky Blood of the Land, we decided to install 3 types of images which are part of a mythology of America, which is the open landscape, the bison, and the Native American tribes. And then the only other thing that's in that room, which is really this counter position, is a Bible. And it was a Bible that we found discarded here in Louisville, and we covered it in graphite, so if anyone touches it, it'll leave fingerprints everywhere.
You know, our work is challenging, but I think in really subtle ways. So you could go in there and just feel that the work was decorative and that you're really just responding to the colors or the shapes on the walls. Or if you looked farther, you may think that it's maybe something I could think in a different way about. But it's not necessary. You could really just go there to have a social experience and think, oh, this is really a beautiful space.
The installation in the West Dining Room is called Farm to Table, and we were interested in people's relationship to the land and how culture happens because of that. Kentucky is a complex place that is neither south nor north, east or west. It's really its own place, and in that history, it's hard to look at it from the outside without some form of prejudice.
It's very hard for people to see the artwork because people want artwork to exist in a frame. And we don't do that. We make artwork that is in frames. However, we hardly think that's art.